Hi there, I'm Lauren from Surveybot, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design your team survey using the designer. So as you can see, on the left here we have all the different questions and messages that we can add to our survey. Once you select a question, it will move into this middle part, which is where you can edit each of the questions and the messages as you add them to your survey. And on the right here, we have the preview screen, which shows us what the survey is going to look like when it's in Facebook chat as it's intended to be used. First of all, here is my welcome message. This message is sent to the employee at the beginning of the survey, and then they have these three buttons below it to let them opt in, opt out, or opt to do the survey later. So I'm just going to change this to what I want to say because I am going for kind of an employee survey of manager satisfaction. So I'm going to create that sort of tone with my welcome message. Here we go. Save that there. And now I can add my first question. So I'm going to go over here to this left panel and I'm going to choose an emoji rating scale question. Obviously, there's a whole bunch of options that you have here, and I'm not going to go through all of them in the video because that would take some time, but they are pretty self-explanatory and relatively, if you have a play around with them, you can figure them out. But if you ever have any questions, always get in touch with us. We are more than happy to answer them. So I'm going to add this emoji rating scale question. And as you can see, this means that they can respond to the question that I ask with a number from 1 to 5 and a corresponding emoji. So I'm going to ask them about their manager. Cool. And so that's that question there, and I can save it. And a thing to remember with these surveys is that your administrator may have set a certain amount of questions as a cap. So if you get to a point where you've added, say, 8 questions and you can't add any more, that might be why. You can always talk to your administrator about that. Now we're going to add a question using the question library. The question library contains a set of predefined questions that your account admins have created. And this makes it quick and easy to add new questions, especially where you're doing maybe these kind of manager feedback surveys and you're asking the same sort of questions in a lot of different surveys. So as you can see, there are these range of questions already there. I'm going to add, how is the morale in your department? And it's just as easy as clicking on the plus there and then adding it to the survey. And you can always go in and edit it and change the question type from this drop down if you would like to. I'm just going to save it as it is. Finally, you finish off your survey with an end message. This will be sent after all the questions have been answered, and it's a nice place to just say thank you to your employees for taking your survey. I'm just going to leave it as thanks for your time. Before we go on to the next step, we're just going to preview what this survey looks like inside Workplace Chat. So to do this, scroll up to the top of the page and click this Preview Survey button and follow the link that it gives you. And this will take you directly over to Facebook Workplace. This is a great way to check out how your survey is working and whether it's working in the way that you want it to. And you can always preview it, go back, edit it, preview it again just to make sure it's perfectly exactly what you want. So I can just answer the questions as if I was doing the survey myself, which is great. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you ever have any questions about anything, we always love to hear from you. You can email us at support@surveybot.io. Thank you.